want to show you guys some MacGyver shit here. I couldn't video this while I was on the side of the highway, but you see that black piece of tube and that piece of junk plastic in there? Those are wedging the drain for the radiator. The radiator petcock drain blew out. It broke. And where I happened to be setting was this piece of wire, this great big thick piece of copper wire, and that piece of plastic, and I wedged them in there and held them in place with this right here, and got that petcock rubber piece back up against there so that this would hold fluid and drive the rest of the way. And I broke down on the interstate only 12 miles into my trip of 26 miles, and I went the rest of the way and back with this MacGyver repair here. So yeah, crazy. It blew that thing out, and it was just laying down here on the frame. I was able to grab it. It was up against the steering box and that power steering line. So anyway, really cool. I wanted to show you that.